Hey, what's up, guys? This week has been a very busy week for me, and I really didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I did work on this really cool black barbarian drawing that really came out dope. I'm gonna just kind of show you the drawing process and my thought process in making this black barbarian drawing. All right, no more talk. Let's go. So, ooh, dark. Hold on. All right, that should be right there. So let me explain the genesis of this idea. Basically, what I want to do is I want to do another sketchbook full of just nothing but black fantasy art drawings, and I've always wanted to do a black barbarian. So I figured, why not do one today? And well, actually it wasn't today, it was this week, but I figured to do one, and it really came out dope. So first challenge, of course, was just figuring out the actual layout and the design and the perspective on this drawing. So of course, the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and lay in my perspective lines and just kind of figure out the environment and everything around my character, and eventually the additional characters first. Closer. There we go. Alright, guys, so the biggest challenge in this drawing was I had to draw a horse. Never drawn a horse before. Well, I've drawn a horse a couple times. Shouldn't say never. I have drawn them, but it's been a long time. We're talking well over 10 years since I've drawn a horse. And horses are really hard animals to draw, especially if you don't draw them on a regular basis. So that was a big challenge, and that took a lot of referencing and research and everything. And then after a while, you just got to go for it. And that's what I did. But I'm happy how the horse turned out. I think he could have turned out a little bit better, but for having not drawn a horse in like 10 years, actually more than 10 years, almost 20 years, I'm not mad. Alright guys, so while I got that working out, after drawing the horse, which was the biggest issue, then came inking the artwork, and that was kind of a, at first it kind of was, I was making it way too hard. Sometimes we make things way too hard for ourselves, and I had to stop that because in my mind, in my mind, I wanted to do this super detailed brush drawing and brush ink, but when I started using my brush, it was cool. But then I kind of got to a point where I was just like, look, man, I got to use kind of everything I've got because I'm not getting the results that I wanted. So that's when I started using my touch liner pens, my Fududensuke brush pen, as well as my Pentel brush. And then, and only then, that's when I got exactly what I was looking for. So this is just a good example of sometimes we start out one way and then we end up going another route. And that other route is actually the better route, and we end up getting the best results that we were. We end up getting the results that we wanted to get because we went the other route. And that's the best lesson I can give you guys for this. So always be flexible when you're doing your art. Yes, sir. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it the big thumbs up and share this all over the internet. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'd just like to say, what's up? And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family and you know, all that good stuff. Now, if you guys want to get in touch with me, you can always get in touch with me on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. And I also have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok, David Gordon 72. And if you really like what's going on with the channel, go ahead and head over to Patreon and pick a level and sign up for a Patreon level. Also, make sure you guys are hitting the bell icon to let you know whenever I post up a new video. That way we can defeat the YouTube algorithm. And other than that, guys, once again, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace.